Hello everyone, welcome to Auntie Mira's Corner. Are you a lover of birds? Do you have a small poultry farm at home? Even a big poultry farm? Do your poultry birds suffer from white diarrhea, brown diarrhea, green diarrhea, watery stool, or bloody stool? Auntie Mira got you covered. Today I will be sharing with you tips on how to prepare natural medicine for your birds that is going to take care of white diarrhea, brown diarrhea, bloody stool, green diarrhea, and watery stool. We are going to be using natural medicine. We are going to be using leaves just around the compound. Please, let's get started. Okay guys, we are going to be using the following leaves for our natural medicine. We need aloe vera. We need guava leaves. These are guava leaves. We need pawpaw leaves. These are pawpaw leaves. And we equally need bitter leaf. Some bitter leaf. We also need some charcoal. Not any kind of charcoal that is not harmful. This is charcoal from corn cobs. We are going to be using all of this to make our natural medicine. We are going to put it in a mortar and pound it. But for those who have strong blenders, you can put all of it in a blender and blend. Thank you. Why do I put? Okay, this is our bitter leaf, guava leaves, pawpaw leaves, aloe vera, and charcoal already in the mortar. We are going to pound it until it is ready. Okay, after pounding the leaves and the charcoal and the aloe vera, we remove and put in a bucket. After pounding, we remove and put in a bucket. We add some clean water. You know that these birds are very fragile, so we need to add clean water into the mixture to extract the juice from the guava leaf, pawpaw leaf, aloe vera leaves, bitter leaves, and the charcoal. Now we use a local sieve to remove the chaffs from the juice. We have to separate the chaffs from the juice. We are using a local sieve to do that. As you can see, our solution is ready. Add a cup of it to your drinker every day. It will depend on the number of birds you have and how serious their diarrhea is. If you don't have time to pound, you can equally dry, grind, and just mix in their feed. The health benefit of these leaves is in the comment section. Thanks for watching.